away from a back-to-back Philippine Cup title. But talking about this game, sabi nga ni Coach Peter Martin, yung non-Junior 5, ang laki ng contribution nila, especially in that second quarter na nagkakamag kayo. Just talk about the impact of your other players aside from your starters.
Yeah, first of all, shout out muna doon sa 8 players ng Bacolod. They keep on watching the PBA. Every game, nanonood sila. Sana kung gusto kayo dyan. Okay? And regarding that game, nakita naman natin ang difference ng nung last game sa game ngayon. In terms of rebounds, out-rebounded sila. And then there's no pass break points para sa talking text. Okay? And then turnover points, I think, nagawang pa rin kami. That's one thing. It's a sign na the hustle and hard work at talaga na andun makikita natin. Dahil last time nakita natin flat kami. And they thought na madaling talunin. But they have a good plan last game, especially on defense. And then at the start, so we don't know yet what happened to us, but I told them just be patient. This is just a first half. Imagine 5 straight 3 points, So, mabuti na lang, banda huli, Pero still, 10 3 points pa rin sa kanila. We have to do something about their perimeter shooting. Because of the, makikita natin yung points of pain nila at 22. Unlike last time, it's at 40. Okay, so that means the player is really wanted to win. And sinasabi mo tungkol sa mga nag-step up, especially itong mga ito. Ito si Rodney, imagine naging highest pointer siya, 20 points and a lot of 17 points and 15 rebounds. Yun ang na-score sa kanya last time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 players in double figures, guys. And it's a team effort din nangyari. And thank God, we got this one.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
Congratulations. You mentioned yung bukod dun sa mga stars mo, nag-step up yung mga tulad ni Rodney. Itong conference nyo, parang bukod dun sa mga stars nyo, ang story, yung mga contributions, halos every game iba-iba yung nagka-contribute like si Rodney tonight and Chris Rosales and Motauto.
I think before the series, before the playoffs, we're relying more on the bench. And then almost, ang average nila is 50-50. And tonight, nakita naman natin that's 42 bench points. Okay, with 96, so almost half, 45%. And last time, wala masyado nakita sa bench. And then, I think, we're able to solve the problem we had last time because at the start nagpanic agad kami, marami kami ginawang substitution, but this time I stick to the normal rotation namin.
Rodney, very intense yung game tonight. Nakalaking bagay na kahit 14 to start ang TNT, 16 point lead, unti-unti na bura nyo yun at eventually nakontrol nyo yung laro.
Wala namang nanalo sa first quarter lang. So, alam naman namin na dapat naman yung quarters niya na makakabalik kami yung gusto talaga namin manalo ngayon. Mahirap kasi ma-downgrade dito sa series na to. Tapos siguro naging motivation din sa amin yung sama ng pagkatalo namin last game. Talaga namin bumawi. Thank God na nakuha namin yung panalo.
Gusto yung ano?
Ano lang naman to, gawa to nung injury ko yung tapilo ko. So naka-apekto yung muscle, medyo may mga nag-shutdown na hindi pa kasi 100% yung tapilo ko. Pero buti nakabalik na rin ako kahit pa paano nakapag-draw na ako. So yung mga nakarang games namin, hindi ako masyado nakapag-contribute. Siyempre may mga inaalalayan. Ngayon, talagang sabi ko, hindi na pwedeng hindi na tayo pwedeng phonetics, kailangan buhos na. Hanggat nakakabit, laro pa.
Coach, you have a chance to finish off TNT on Sunday. Sa takbo ng serye, walang assurance na kahit lumama ka ng malaki sa first quarter, sigurado kayo. So we will try to make sure na tapusin yung TNT.
We should be motivated with that that opportunity. But it's not that easy because their back is against the wall na naman, just like what happened in last game. So I'm expecting a different ball game from them. Ano? And it's up to us how to realize the situation is so that because everybody wants to finish this but there's no assurance. Basta gagawin namin we have to keep on working hard and try to know and realize what's really happening in the game dahil alam naman natin this is a game of adjustment.
Coach, good evening, Coach. Update lang dun sa knee injury ni June Mar kanina.
Yeah, I think may strange siya dito dahil natag-anan and then something happened but I have to thank him. I'm very grateful ako sa kanya dahil nakita natin he's a warrior dahil nakita niya the game is on the line and then he has to finish the game even though may pain pa siya nararamdaman. So pumasok siya because we know na his mere presence in the court it will have something advantage para sa amin and then nakita mo naman kahit paano he's trying to help kasi gumagalaw siya because of a painkiller lang.
So, Game 6, ano pa rin ba siya?
Hopefully sana makabalik siya but let's see what will happen tonight until tomorrow dahil kailangan namin ng therapist pa-check up siya dahil we cannot gamble his health dahil I don't care kung matalo kami o manalo basta ang health ng mga players kailangan yun ang binibigyan namin ng pansin pero kanina nung tumingin ako sa kanya sabi niya okay siya so we tried and then yun naman nakatakbo pa rin siya kahit paano naka-rebound but he's not 100%.
Rodney, may natitira pa ba sa tangke for Game 6 and 7, if ever?
Oo, nagsisimula pa lang kami. Pinupulikat na nga sabi ko natapilok na nga tayo nung Game 2. Sabi ko lang din sa mga PT namin, basta nakakabit pa, nakakatakbo pa ang laban na. Hanggat hindi pa tapos, kunin namin, sayang yung pambili ka na mo.
Rodney, grabe yung lambingan ni BGR
Oo nga normal yun, normal. Medyo welcome naman, welcome namin yung physicality. Siyempre, finals to Hindi naman din basta-basta magpapatalo yun. At mas gusto nga rin namin yung gano'n, yung physicality. Gusto namin talaga yun. So siguro yun yung gumising din sa amin.
Sino mas malambing?
Yung asawa ko.
And with that, we end our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time. Good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.